Hey, you.
Who, me? What's good, fam? How you guys doing today? You already know what's going on. We dropping you another banger. Thank you so much for tuning back into my video. If you're a new subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I don't know which side it is because sometimes I'll be confused, but click it. Anyways, today we'll be going through the process of a photo shoot today. What I do, how I communicate with my models, etc., etc. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get into it. All right, so if you guys don't know, I do have shirts, jackets, and if you watch my previous videos, you'll see the shirts. Sometimes I'm wearing the jackets, like the SpaceX jacket or the United Caribbean jacket. So this is like just part of the process, you feel me, of what you gotta do to create that content. You know, a lot of people have been asking me about the behind the scenes of when I do photography for my models. So you feel me? So we just waiting for her, and I think that's her right now. So yeah, let's get it. Relax, come on. Relax.
It's been a while since I did a photo shoot, so.
Relax.
Are you recording me or are you taking me?
Oh, yeah, you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, you been recording this whole time? Oh.
For like last 5 seconds.
We live?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
You look good, girl.
Shit.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Do your thing.
You gotta hype me up.
Do your thing.
I feel like the wind is blowing my hair out.
Let's do a couple practice rounds.
Okay, thank you. Let me warm up. Let's practice.
Or just keep playing with your hair.
No, I feel like it's in my face. Does it look bad in my face?
No, it looks good.
They say love don't make you change, but I've got a different perspective. Now I'm careful who I give my heart to, y'all reject ya. They say love don't make you change, but I've got a different perspective. Now I'm careful who I give my heart to, y'all reject ya. Yeah, I'll reject ya. This is an extra. I know that I'm next up. These diamonds is flexed up. Down from the neck up. I can't command her. Her name's not Alexa. Her name's not Alexa. Trust me, you don't wanna go through the motions. You can't get lost in it.
Stay facing.
No, I don't want to do
I'm so fucked up, so I think that I'm going. Just leave the bar when you're done, you don't owe him. I will not trap you, the door's always open. And I'll smoke this blunt till I feel like I'm floating. And I'll smoke this blunt till I feel like I'm floating. And I'll smoke this blunt till I feel like I'm floating. I'll smoke this blunt till I feel like I'm floating. If you change your mind, then you know where I'm going. Don't let the love that you feel take the moment. I'm here for the night, but I'm gone in the morning. They say love don't make you change, but I've got a different perspective.
No, you're good. Act like you vibing, you feel me?
Okay, I got you. Come on, can y'all? Hey.
Hey. Yeah. Hey.
Wait.
There you go, keep going. Keep going. No, relax, relax.
I can't dance. I'm trying to think of a dancing song.
You don't gotta dance, it's like.
Do a little shake.
But I'm gone in the morning. They say love don't make you change, but I've got a different perspective. Now I'm careful who I give my heart to. Yeah, I'll reject ya. Yeah, I'll reject ya. This is an extra. I know that I'm next up. These diamonds is flexed up. Down from the neck up. dates, let's get Postmates. You say that you wanna make love, let's just role play. You say that you wanna make love, let's just role play. Girl, I'm sorry, I can't go back to my old ways. I think I'm stuck in my ways. I think I'm stuck in my ways.
So that's the end for the video for our photography shoot. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage that we caught, even though it wasn't that much because the phone space storage wasn't a lot, but it's still content. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys picked it up. And today we had Nisha. You guys know what that is. What's your Instagram name?
Y'all can follow me at chocolate.rain. That's 2 E's.
2 E's, not one.
Chocolate.
2 E's. Don't forget it. All right, guys. Twice the chocolate. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bells. All right, guys. We out.
Drip, 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 drip.
I got me missing paper, yeah.
Drip, 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 yeah. Drip, 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 yeah. Drip, 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 drip.
Young kid in my bag, shopping, popping tags. White kids call me rag, shawty call me dad.